strobe and the camera go pop, 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 pop.
So let's do an unboxing. First, let's start with this. First, we're starting with this light ring that I told my colleague to purchase a light ring for me, and this is what it got me. Okay, so this is Limpa Pierce. I can't pronounce that. So I wanted a tall one. It didn't matter what brand or whatever. I just wanted something to put my phone and my camera on, and got that. So this is how the light is looking, y'all. It's really tall. Let me show you. So tall. Look at it. Look how tall this is, but it's only have one setting, so one light, just the white light. It doesn't have different colors once I turn it on and off. It's just that color, nothing else. But it's super tall, and I love that. It is functioning. The next item I have. I'm gonna go ahead with this Amazon box. I ordered some stuff on Amazon that I needed. So I ordered some waxes. You guys just trying to, do a little business, run up a little business with the wax. And I'm gonna wax myself also because we don't have a lot of options out here. We're in the middle of almost nowhere. So I got me some wax, and then I also got the pre-cleanse. Clean and easy, clean pre-wax cleanser. So yeah, so I was just to wax myself today, y'all. That was supposed to be like my birthday get together, get ready with. But I had a headache, so that didn't happen. So then I also have I ordered two SD cards because mine when I got here it got full and I didn't have no backup, so now I have two. So next time I can be prepared and I'll just record. Y'all off note, right? Look at my hair, y'all. I'm thinking about going jet, Welcome. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment. Cause I've had my hair like this for a month now, a little over a month. And I like it. I've been wearing like that. I haven't worn no wigs. I mean, I wear wigs like 2 days since I've been on the zone. Honestly, yeah, I don't know what this is. I don't remember this. I don't remember having this. But let's open it up and see. What we have was the lavender one. As y'all can see, I got the lavender and I got the pre-cleanse. And you're gonna be sweating a lot. And honestly, I thought this was bigger, but it's a little small. I don't even know what's in that box. But let's do the next item. Let's go. Next item, I have this big old box. So I have this wax, another wax. It's from Wax Pink Cake for us. Bestie Dye. I don't know, I've never used it. It was like recommended by like a TikToker who did wax video, and I was like, let me try it. So it's good. It's big. So hopefully it work out. Like I see, I'm trying to do a little business out here. And then it comes with the sticks. And it comes with the and some gloves. So that's pretty nice. It's a lot, so I love that. So we're gonna try her on myself tomorrow. Next item. What do we have? We have cottons, cause gotta clean the skin. Yeah, that was done. Yeah. Like I said, we're building a business here. And the next item, which is the most important, we have the actual wax machine. warmer. Wax warmer. So this is so this comes with the little wax to put on top of the pot. And then that's it. That's it. It comes with the sticks too. Got some sticks, broken ones, and whatever this is, I don't know. And the iPhone, it's smaller than I thought. Oh my god, it is so much smaller than I thought. This is good. Shine. Oh, it's small. I thought it was so much bigger. But it's very small, so this is that.
So we have H&M, so I was done with it. But I was awkward and the most of it in my time, so I was done. And then some bra from H&M.
Then I got a little sweatshirt. I should have got a bigger size because I've been working out and your girl is getting bigger. I don't even think this is gonna, I think it's gonna fit me. This is a medium. No, this is a large actually. But I do feel like I should have got a bigger size. And then I have just a it's gonna get cold. It's getting cold. Then I have a regular shirt, long sleeve shirt, but I didn't my stuff. Then this was from Sephora. I got these lipsticks and the Rare Beauty blush. I've been wanting a different blush, so I got the regular blush. And they give me some simples. So I got some lipstick from Maybelline from there, and I had a lip liner also, and I've been wanting this so much. This is the NYX brow glue. I just wanted a brow glue, and this was the last one, so I had to get it. It's a really long unboxing video. Then my friend, I got me some rug. Oh, this is so soft. So soft, I love it. He got me a rug because I needed one. This is so soft, and you can wash it, which is perfect. Oh my god, it's so soft. And it's long too. I'm gonna put it on the floor whenever I mop, which is gonna be after this video. I also bought this natural deodorant. I've been using natural deodorant for a hot minute now, and they didn't have the brand I use here. And then I found this Ben and Anna Vanilla Orchid natural deodorant cream, and I've been using it for a few days, and it worked. Okay, I can definitely say it worked. So this is what I've been using.